Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to start a grammar lesson conquered or subject verb agreement. So subject and verb must agree. Singular subject takes singular verb and plural subject takes plural verb. Example, the cat eats mice. Okay, so here verb eats is a singular verb. Cat is a singular noun. So singular subject takes singular verbs. The singular verbs are verb 1 plus SR, ESR, IES, is, was, does, has. So they take singular subjects with. Now let's move to subject verb agreement with the plural subjects. Plural subject takes plural verbs. Here the example, the cats. Cats is plural subject. So answer is eat. Okay. The cats eat mice. You cannot write eats mice. So plural subject cannot be dealt with the singular verb. So which are the plural verbs? V1, were, are, have, and do. These are plural verbs. Okay, here see, if they come with and two singular subjects, that also it is called plural subjects. And you can take a plural verb play. Tim and Tom play chess. Now let's come to next one. They is a plural subject, so it takes a plural verb. So they create pollution. If singular, see it is singular, so you can take a singular verb is. It is pretty. Now let's discuss with some rules. Okay, some special rules. Okay. If two singular subjects connected by two singular subjects connected by and it gives one idea to our mind, or the same person or the same thing, we can write it as a singular verb, not plural verb. Bread and butter, as it gives one idea to our mind, it is called singular noun. So you can add a singular verb. Is, bread and butter is only food. Time and tide, it gives one idea to our mind. So time and tide, you can take it as singular subject. Then verb waits. Waits is singular verb. So time and tide waits for none. Okay, now let us move to the second one. If they are joined with neither nor, either or, nor or, they with the singular subjects, it takes singular form. Okay. If both are subject 1 and 2 are singular subjects, by joining with either or neither nor, we can write a singular form. Carefully remember this. Neither food nor water was found there. Food is a singular subject, first subject. Water is also singular subject. Okay, not this one or not that one. So we can write was is correct answer. Next one, either the cat or the mouse has been there. As the cat or mouse both are singular subjects, so we can write a singular verb has. Some more examples. Okay, if the subject 1 is singular, subject 2 is plural, so you can take a plural verb. We can discuss more about that. Neither the chairman nor the directors are present. So remember that if the second subject is plural, then you can take a plural verb like are, were, how, do. Okay, come to next rule. If joined by or nor, or neither nor, or either or, we can see the second subject. According to the second subject, verb should be added. Neither you nor he is to be blamed. As here is singular, he is also singular, so you cannot write are here. Neither you nor he because the second subject is he, so you can take is correct. Okay, either you or I am mistaken. As the second subject I, we can write am, we cannot write are, huh? Now next rule. Okay, children often commit mistakes with they write with the plural verb like are, have. We need not write. If it is either, neither, each, everyone, many, we should write singular verb like V1 plus S, yes, is, was, has. Okay, every one of the boys loves to ride the car. As it is everyone, we can write loves. Loves is singular verb. Many a man has done so. Okay, each student has got a laddu. Every student has to bring their books. So these are followed by singular verbs. Now come to the next. There are some subjects like mathematics, civics, news, etc. Though they are plural in form, the meaning is in singular. So we can write singular verb. Mathematics is very difficult for some people. The news is very saddening. Physics is a royal subject. Now let's move to next one. If the singular form plus noun is equal to plural meaning. Okay, singular form plus one plural noun is a plural like meaning, like a dozen, couple. So the meaning is plural. Without s or es, meaning is plural. So we have to add with the plural verb. 1 dozen. As the dozen consists of 12, you can write the costs now. 1 dozen costs apple cost 1000 rupees. 1 dozen apple cost 1000 rupees. Okay, the couple are going out this week. Here the couple means a husband and wife. Now let's move to the next rule. If the sentence includes with the sums of money or periods of time or distances as unit, at that time you can write singular verbs. Okay, example, 500 rupees. Though the last letter is S, it is singular in form. So as it is sum, you can write 500 rupees is a high price to pay. 62 years is the minimum age of retirement. 62 years, it is a single unit. Distances also, 10 kilometers is too far to walk. Okay, they are singular by form. So we need to write down singular verbs. Next rule. Okay, when it comes with a prepositional phrase like of the, none of, the stamp. If it is singular noun, of the plus singular noun, you can write singular verb. If it is none of, the or my plurals noun, you can write plural verb. So example, none of my stamp collection has lost its value. Stamp collection is singular noun, so you can write a singular verb has. None of my stamps have lost their value. As stamps is a plural subject, we can take a plural verb have. Next one, if no plus plural noun is there, you can write a plural verb. No men are hungry now. If it is singular noun given, you can write no man is hungry now. So the two differences you need to think. Next one. Next rule, use of most of, all of, or a lot of, or some of. Okay, if they are combined with the countable noun, you can write a plural verb. Okay, if they are uncountable noun, you can write with singular verb. Okay, some of the girls, as the girls is countable, you can write are cute. You cannot write is cute. Okay, next second one, some of the water. As water is is an uncountable noun, we can follow here plural verb wrong. You can follow here singular verb is. Some of the water is yet to be filled in the bottle. Okay. Now come to the next one. If the suffix is used with the body, thing, one, okay, at that time you can write a singular form, not plural. Students commit mistake. This is are, have, were. These are wrong. Somebody has stolen my bag. Nobody has come yet. Something is better than nothing. Okay, someone has stolen his purse. So these are singular in form if they end with the body, thing, one suffixes. Now next one is if it is expressed with a wish or request or contrary to the fact, at that time verb must, these are imaginary or some other issues, that time you can write a word. Okay, plural. Okay, I wish my sister were here. She wishes she were a doctor. Okay. Aditya requested that she raise, instead of raises, you can write she raise her glass because of a request. Now, final one is if the subject is added with as well as or along with, we can follow here singular verb or besides or not a singular verb. Matt as well as his dog is expected shortly. Matt as well as his dog is expected shortly, not are. Pratik along with his brother is going to school. Here Pratik is going to school. Along with this brother is extra information. So you can write here, you can follow here singular form. Now let's have a worksheet on this and answers also will declare. The lady in the car dash like your mother. Here answer is looks because lady is a singular subject. The second one, most of the milk dash gone. Answer is because milk is a singular and it is uncountable. So it is singular in form. So you can write is. Okay. One of the flowers. If one of plus subject is plural, you can write one as singular. So singular verb is has. Has will take. Okay. Either Ram or Sham dash coming today. So either Ram or Sham both are singular subjects. So answer is here. Here dash the newspaper. As the newspaper is singular, you can write answer here is. Last one. The group of dancers dash here. Though dancers are given, first word is group. So group is given, so you can write the group of the dancers is here. So group is here. It is a collective now. Thank you for watching this video.